So today is November 8th. We're doing the weekly update. This is update number 4. This is the rattlesnake bean plant. She is producing a bunch of beans. It is right now 45 days old and it's stretching about 12-13 feet long right now. So doing real good. The lettuce down here, it's finally not as hot. It's kind of getting a lot of shade. So it's growing real good. The French style bush beans, I've picked them pretty good and they've still got a lot more growing. So we're going to get another at least 2 pickings. The lettuce right here, we moved the bucket down lower and it's growing. This will be a cut and come again. I've got it planted 2 inches below the top. That way I just cut it straight across. We should have some lettuce in about probably 2 more weeks. The okra is doing real good. It's not getting as much light as it needs, so it's going to slow down. But all the greens, they're doing really good. Swiss chard got big. Peppers, they're producing real good, getting a lot of blooms, setting fruit. Cherry tomatoes, they're doing really good. We'll be getting some ripe ones pretty soon. They got hundreds of tomatoes on both sides. I mean, they're doing really good. And then a lot more greens, carrots. Gonna have to start pulling some carrots out, give them more room. Bunch more tomatoes. Plants just steadily doing flowers and setting the fruit. Some beets. We've picked these beans. I'm waiting to see if we get any more bloom on them. There's a couple stragglers that I'll be able to pick. Same thing with the purple dwarf. There's still some, but not a lot. Still setting a little bit. Another tomato plant that's going to be loaded big time. Oh, we're getting a lack of sun with these trees. It's 11 o'clock right now, so we get about 3 hours of sunlight in the morning, and then we get about another 4 hours in the afternoon. So I know it's going to be a little bit less than that before it's over with, so that's why we can move some of these. I got these tomato plants where they get more light. I might have to move these a little bit farther east. And look, this store-bought one, that one's starting to turn. All these tomatoes that I had, they were planted 80 days ago. The tomatoes and the okra. And all these seeds, all the other things that I have growing out here, they were planted September 20th. So they're like 40-45 days old, just like the green beans. Oh, let's see. Oh, we added bucket. And I got rid of all the squash, zucchinis. I just can't grow it here for some reason. Doing another tomato plant cutting, for which I can move these into more sun when I need to. And there's potatoes. That bucket's full of perlite. This one still has a plant down there in the bottom that needs to get tall. So I'm going to let that one come up before I cover this. And these are still growing. They'll almost catch up. Well, that's it. We'll see you again next week and let you know exactly what's going on. It'll be looking different. I will be pulling up some plants and planting lettuce. It is the season for lettuce here.